Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We've arrived in Valencia. No, it's pissing it down. Well, pissing it down, I say that's spitting. Let me quickly get across this road. But yeah, I'm not really going to do many vlogs here. I'm just going to get straight to Benidorm, so this will be the vlog. So it's a little 10-minute walk, it says, down to the coach. But yeah, I had to get a metro. I've got a metro, I've got a bus, and I've got to get a coach. So yeah, every time I've been down to this place, I've never stayed very long. We came a long time ago, me and Sabrina, and we just stayed there for about one night. That was it. We stayed in the old university. I think they rent the university apartments out when there's no people there. But yeah, so let's keep going. Let me know if you've ever been to Valencia before. Big city vibes. So if this one's a bit shaky, it's just doing it by hand. There's a little bit of rain, so I can't bother to get all the equipment out. But yeah. Massive shopping centres here. Get ourselves to Benidorm, mate. Then get one of them Euro beers. I'm gonna have 5. Seems it's so cheap. Been paying €4 for a beer lately. That was the cheapest I could find one. Ended up just having wine instead in the end, because that was €3.50 to €4 in most places. And yeah, basically just fill your glass all the way up. Massive glass of wine it was. So yeah, it's a shame about the weather. Check this hotel out. Novotel. Oh, Novotels don't look like this, do they? Proper swanky. Check out that bear. Very cool. So yeah, not a good day weather-wise. Flight was really quick. It said on the Ryanair app it was going to take an hour and 15 minutes. It was about 45 minutes. By the time we got up, they run around with their little trolleys, the dolly trolleys, and then they're gone. And that's it, time to land. I had about 3 hours sleep, I think. Woke up at 4 a.m. Good chef at this last hotel made me a lovely breakfast. 1 second, let me pause this a sec. So yeah, carrying on. Coach station's just down there. Oh, I need to get myself a bottle of water. This little tiny one I got here, it's lasted me for ages. I've only been sipping it now. She's got a little fun fair, stuff for the kids to do. That's when it's all open. And it's not chucking it down with rain. It'll be good for the kids. So I think the coach station's just down there on the left. We'll go in there and see how much it's going to cost me. I think Kevin Scotsman Kevin, he told me about 20, 23, 24 euros, something like that. He done the exact same trip as me, except for he came from Morocco, I think. He went today to Benidorm via Valencia. I've come from Malaga, which it was really quick getting through the airport because obviously there's no passport control, you're just doing internal, aren't you? So, only person who checked my passport was just before I got on the plane. But yeah, smooth flight, Ryanair, doing its job nicely lately. For me, this whole trip actually we're flying with Ryanair the whole way. Sabrina's coming in with what's she coming in with? Jet 2. So she gets to not worry about her bag. On the way out of England, they didn't check nobody. They really didn't care. They checked no one's bags, nothing. And then as soon as I've come to Spain, that's the first thing they did. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get to Benidorm and then I'm going to record a video showing you guys a trick how you can avoid such mishaps happening to you and having to pay the 70 quid or whatever it is to take your bag because it's a little bit full up. But yeah. Oh, I've got the green man. Right, here it is. Alright, so the next video you'll probably see is going to be in Benidorm. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if there's anything more, I'll record it. If not, I'll catch you on the next one.